Hello guys, welcome to Otefrige Super TV. Please, if today be your first time of being on this channel, please I would like you to subscribe, also share. In my previous video, I taught you how to get free airtime or data bundle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your MTN rewards into airtime or data bundle. I'll be right back. Welcome back. So let's go into the video. So you go to your dialer, you dial *550#, then you choose your SIM mode. So I want to redeem it through my SIM 1. Okay, so I'll select SIM 1. Welcome to MTN office. The first one is packs, second one pause, third one Jara, the fourth one number reservation, the fifth one go bundle, the sixth one free after one, the seventh one MTN rewards, the eighth one more. So I want MTN rewards, I want to redeem, so I'll select option 7, which is MTN rewards. Then I'll send. Welcome to MTN rewards. Accrue points when you use your number and redeem with a reward of your choice. The first one is a check point balance, the second one more. So in this point you have to check so that you know the amount or the total of your points. So I'll select option 1, which is check, then I'll send. Dear customer, you have 596 points available, 0 back. So I'll select 0. So now that I know my number of points, which is 596, I'll select back, then I'll go back by selecting 0, then I'll send. Welcome to MTN rewards. Accrue points when you use your number and redeem with a reward of your choice. So I'll select 9, which is more, then I'll send. The second one is number 2, redeem points, the third one info, the fourth one 0, which is back. So I want to redeem, I will select option and send. Redeem points, airtime, data bundle, other rewards, view voucher code, 0 back. So I want airtime, I'll select airtime. Okay, let me go into the data bundle first, 2. So I'll select option 2, then I'll send. Daily pack, weekly pack, and monthly pack. So I'll select option 1 and see. So 1,000 points, 20 megabytes per day. So the second one 2,000 points, 50 megabytes per day, 4,000 points, 120 megabytes per day. So this is not the business that we are here. So I want to go back to focus on what we are going to do today. So I'll select 0 back, then I'll send. So my focus is to redeem it through airtime. So I'll select option 1, then I'll send. So redeem airtime, 500 points, 25 Ghana pesos, 1,000 points, 50 Ghana pesos, 2,000 points, 1 CD, 4,000 points, 2 CD, 10,000 points, 5 CDs, and 20,000 points, 10 CDs, 40,000 points, 20 CDs. So my balance was 596. Yeah. So I'll select option 1. 500 points. Okay, you have successfully redeemed 500 points for 25 Ghana pesos. Stock text browse more to accrue points. Accrue more points. Okay, please, this is what I'm going to teach you today. Yeah. So if today be your first time of being on this channel, please I would like you to subscribe, also share, because in this channel I'm making a lot of tutorial videos which is helpful. So please subscribe. Thank you.